Hi Travel Tribe, guys, it's been a while. I posted a content here, but I promise you that henceforth I am going to be more consistent. Recently I've been trying varieties of food, guys. I've been trying American foods. You know, as Nigerians, we're always used to our swallow, abacha, jollof rice, white rice, and stew, and all of them. But now I want to try American food. But today, what I'm making is a popular macaroni salad, you all know. But this is my own recipe. First of all, what I had in the plate was boiled macaroni, Irish potato, and boiled eggs. I am going in now with my vegetables, my lettuce, tomato, cucumber, carrots, onions, and I think that is it. That is all I have in that plate. Guys, sorry I prepped all my ingredients off camera, but the next time I'm making a food video like this, I'll make sure I'll take you guys through the process of my prepping. What I have mixed up as my dressing here is some Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, ketchup, black pepper, and a little bit of honey. Guys, trust me when I tell you that this salad cream was it was yummy. It was so good. I had to mix it, make sure it incorporates properly into the salad. I kept mixing and mixing. I just want to make sure all the cream gets in. Even the ones that are left in the plate, I had to scrape everything in there. So guys, keep watching. And guys, our salad is ready. I had to dish for myself. Guys, I almost had the whole of the salad at a go. I had to just control myself because it was so good. Trust me when I tell you that it was, yes, that's good. So guys, I am about to go help myself. Come join me. This is where the video ends for today, and I want to say thank you guys for always coming around to watch my videos, and to the new subscribers, thank you guys for joining me. Next time, guys, I want you to suggest for me in the comments the kind of meal that you want me to make next time. Thank you guys. You can stick around and watch me while I eat my macaroni salad. Bye.